beautiful viewers, welcome back to Couture Crave. If this is your first time hanging out with us, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our cool bridal tips and fashion tips. Today we are all about making you hand purse and plus for women. Before we dive in, if you have got any questions or want to share your own ideas about fashion, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Today we have got something special for you. Yes, these are gorgeous purses and cloths. They are like the finishing touch to your look, and we have got options for every style. Check out this beauty. It is so detailed and pretty. Imagine holding it on your big day. It is like carrying a piece of art with you. But wait, there is more. If you like modern stuff, we have got these cool hand purses. They are not just cute, they are also super handy. You can keep all your important stuff in there and look stylish at the same time. So whether you like classic or modern, we have got something you will love. Look in the description for more info on these awesome finds. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe to see more fashion and trendy collection. Thanks for hanging out with us. See you next time on Couture Crave. Stay awesome and stay inspired. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and give it thumbs up.